Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Element Messenger on your Android device step by step. Element Messenger is a secure, open-source messaging app built on the Matrix protocol that lets you send messages, make voice and video calls, and stay connected across multiple devices. So let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top, type Element Messenger, and look for the official app published by Element. Next, tap the app from the search results to open its download page. Review the app details if you'd like, then tap the Install button to begin downloading and installing the application on your device. Wait for the installation to finish. The download time depends on your internet connection, so keep your device connected to Wi-Fi or a stable mobile data network until the installation is complete. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch Element Messenger. If you already have a Matrix account, tap Sign in and enter your account details. If you're a new user, tap Create Account, choose your preferred Matrix server, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. After signing in, you can customize your profile, sync your conversations, add contacts, and begin sending secure messages or making voice and video calls. And that's it. You now know how to install Element Messenger on Android and start using secure, decentralized messaging wherever you go. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next